Hi, welcome to Money, Sex, Power. We are learning success here from the book Money, Sex, Power, written by Solomon, who was the wisest man. Remember, you can learn success from the successful people. Wisdom can be learned from the wise people. So today day is 8, so we are learning from chapter 8, verse 13. The fear of God is to hate evil. I hate pride and arrogance, the evil way and perverted speech. I hate them. Here, Solomon is talking about fear of our Father who is God. God who is our Father. Because see, please understand, every religion teaches the fear of God. But the truth is, God is not just God, He is a Father. So, if He is God, as religion teaches, He is actually a judge waiting to judge you and to punish you. That's what all religion teaches. It always says, Sabka Malik hai. He is Almighty God. He is powerful God. He is angry God. He is a just God. He is a terrific God. So what happens was, people are actually afraid of Him and shudder in fear. In fact, our forefathers who lived in Indus Valley, they thought all the natural forces are gods. So they actually treated rain as a rain god, fire as a fire god, water as a water god, ocean as a ocean god, wild animals as a god. Okay, everything, lightning and thundering, everything was God for them, because they thought God is somebody who is there to terrify us, to punish us and to kill us. So basically, when I say fear of God, we always think about the religious fear which is being taught to us by our forefathers. But here it is not talking about the religious fear. In fact, it is talking about what is fear of God. Many times we feel we need to humiliate ourselves when we go to God. We need to humble ourselves when we go to God. So we are basically in this religious process. But the wise man is saying, the fear God is to hate evil. What a truth it is. Today, fearing God is not just shuddering in front of Him or humiliating yourself in front of Him. Fearing God is actually hating evil. When I say fear of God is to hate evil, many times people do not do evil, not that they hate them. They don't do it because they are really afraid about the punishment. For example, if you rob a bank, you will be punished. If you violate any law of the land, you will be punished. So people do not do it, do not do wrong things because they fear punishment. Nobody hates evil, thereby doesn't do evil. Okay? Please understand, my friends, hating evil is a different ball game altogether. Today, we don't find many people doing evil. We don't find people robbing the banks or raping the girls. Only rarely somebody does it. Why? Why the general public is not doing that? Because the general public is afraid of the punishment, not because they really don't want to do it. They sometimes feel how good it will be if I rob a bank. I'll have a lot of money. How good it will be if I rob that guy's mobile. Many people, they think that way. In certain parts of the world, people think that way. Whenever we don't have, we always think, I should take it from somebody who has it. But the fear of God is to hate evil. Hating evil is completely different, my friends. Hating evil and hating pride, hating arrogance, evil way and perverted speech. Let me tell you, today many times husbands and wives are talking and fighting with each other. And sometimes they are very nasty to each other. Why a person is nasty to the other person? It is only because they don't fear God. Nasty behavior between the spouses is done by those people who do not know God, who do not fear God. My friends, however wrong the other person is, we cannot be nasty to them. We cannot be, crossing a limit and insulting them because we fear God. Fearing God actually tunes the whole society in the right direction, tunes every family. If your family fears God, your family will become a happy family. If your society fears God, then your society will become a happy society. Fear for God is to hate evil, to hate pride, to hate arrogance, evil way, perverted speech. Thank you for joining us. We will come back tomorrow at 8 a.m. God bless you.